Hey, good morning and welcome to the channel. Today is August the 1st, 2018, and I would like to take you through something simple. I would like to show you the days of the week and the times of the day. All right. So this is a normal conversation in Luo and days of the week. So when you want to say the day of the week, you just say Kawuono en, and then you say the day. So for example, if it is Monday, you say Kawuono en wuok tich. So that means today is Monday. Kawuono en wuok tich. Kawuono en tich ariyo. Kawuono en tich adek. Kawuono en tich ang'wen. Kawuono en tich abich. Kawuono en ngeso. Kawuono en odira. So you can start practicing this so that you know if someone asks you what is the day today, then you just respond Kawuono en. Like today is Tuesday, you say Kawuono en tich ariyo. All right. So let me just recap. Wuok tich is Monday. Tich ariyo is Tuesday, and if you go back to our video on numbers, then you will see that ariyo was number 2 and then adek is number 3. So tich ariyo was the second day of the week according to the Luo, so that makes it Tuesday. Tich adek is Wednesday. Tich ang'wen, Thursday. Tich abich is Friday. Then on Saturday, sorry, I did not write that. On Saturday is supposed to be ngeso. Now ngeso is also ngeso in the language means going to the market. So it is ngeso, but then to the Adventists, the Saturday is Sabato. And then on Sunday is Odira. Odira is a church, so Sunday is the day that they went to, the Luos went to church. So, but now there is Sabato and Odira. Sabato is also the Adventist day for church. So Saturday, you can say Saturday is Ngeso, that is the day for the going to the market, or the day for going to church. And then Sunday is Odira, the day for going to church. All right. And then let's move on to times of day. So time of day. In the morning or sunrise is Okinyi. So if a child is born in the morning, most likely you will hear the child being called Okinyi, or if it's a boy, it's Okinyi. If it's a girl, it's Akinyi. So the O replaced with an A. Mid-morning is Onyango. Onyango. Mid-morning is Onyango, but the name is Onyango. So the boy would be called Onyango and the girl would be called Anyango. So look out for the Luo names. If you see Onyango or Anyango, that means they were born in the mid-morning. Then early evening or sunset is Odhiambo. The day would be called, the boy would be called Odhiambo and the girl would be called Adhiambo. And then when you're born in the night or night time is called Otieno. So night is called Otieno. So if someone was born at night, then they would be called Otieno if it's a boy, and Atieno if it's a girl. So just remember that Luos used to name their kids according to the time of birth. And the time of birth was not the actual time, but the general time and the season. So Okinyi, Onyango, Odhiambo, Otieno, you could immediately tell which day they were born. And then that also gives us the time of day. So we do not really have an exact time that it's 8:24, but it is morning. All right, good. So that brings us to the end of the lesson. Please give us comments on the comment section. We appreciate any feedback and how to enhance this experience and make you learn more. If you have any question, please write to luoenglishDictionary@gmail.com, and then we'll be glad to answer all your questions. All right? Thank you. God bless you.